Most landing page builders promise you the world, but in reality they hit you with hidden costs, feature limits, and mandatory upgrades. It's the classic SaaS trap. But MailerLite promises to flip the script. The landing page builder is actually generous. Even with the free plan, it offers more than most, and having your page natively integrated with your email marketing platform, it can be a great plus. I gotta say I love MailerLite, and so do most of my colleagues at emailtooltest.com. Setting up email campaigns is easy, and let's be honest, it's cheap as chips. But I have been using its landing page editor for a little bit now, and I have to say that a few things I'm not 100% happy with. However, before I show you MailerLite's editor and its shortcomings, let's talk money. MailerLite's got 3 plans: the free plan, the growing business, and the advanced plan. They're all quite generous, but if you need more details about this, you can check Email Tool Tester's article. I'll leave you a link in the description. The landing page and website builder is included with the free plan. As you can see here though, you won't have access to the templates, and you won't be able to connect your own domain name, or having click maps, or being able to have a blog with your website. But other than that, you access to most features. If you have a paid plan, you'll have access to MailerLite templates. There are a few of them, not too many. And I have to say, whereas some are quite nice, like maybe this one, others seem a bit dated and not very appealing, like this one. It's a little bit of a hit and miss. Alright, let's go into MailerLite's dashboard, so you get an idea of how each system works. You'll find all the options in the left-hand side. If you want to use the landing page builder, you have to click on Sites. And then you have to choose the right tab. In this case, we're going to choose Landing Pages. Then we click on Create Sites and give it a name. I'm going to be creating a landing page for an event. Then MailerLite will ask you which subscriber groups are going to be related to this landing page. I will create one because none of the ones here are a good match for me. This will let you manage the email marketing side of things. Art, workshop, click on Create, and continue. Now, if you had a paid plan, you could choose one of the templates that MailerLite has pre-designed for you. But let's go with the AI builder and see how it works. We're gonna change the name for Matt Fox Cafe. That's how I would name a cafe if I had one. And then let's pick the industry. Is an event. Let's see if they have one for events. There you go. The next step is to explain MailerLite what is it we want to achieve. I'm explaining here that we're running a workshop on the 21st of October. This is the time and what is it that we're gonna be learning. Who is the host and the location. We definitely want to promote an event. We want to showcase some work. And we want people to be able to contact us. And then we choose the style we prefer. I think I like playful or friendly, and then minimalistic. And then I could have my brand colors in, or I could let AI to generate those. And I'm feeling a little bit lazy. Let's go with the AI option. We click on Generate and let MailerLite work for us. I'll let you know when it's finished, and we'll see what design has created for us. Hey, MailerLite is finished. Here you can see the design. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. I quite like that there's 3 versions presented to you and then you can pick one. I think version B is my favorite one. Definitely. So I'll just select this one and carry on. This is MailerLite's editor. As you can see, it's quite minimalistic and it comes with some limitations that I'll explain you later. But it's also great for beginners because there's not that much you can mess up. The first thing I want to show you is that with MailerLite, you can check how the mobile version of your landing page or website will look. And you can't even delete a section that doesn't make sense for phones. Let's back to the desktop editor. Another useful feature is the style editor. Change how a website or a landing page looks globally. For example, let's say I want headings to be bigger. So I just change it here. And then all my heading ones from all the pages will be consistent with this size. But I can also change the color or how the primary CTA button looks. I don't like this brown poop. Let's go for some sort of orange. What about this one? But my favorite feature of the style menu is that you're presented with several color palettes that you can then select, and the whole look and feel of your website looks completely different. And I think maybe let's go with this one and let's change the CTA, because I think it doesn't stand out as much as it should. What about plain black? I think that looks much better. Of course, you'll be able to edit all the elements. Like, you could change the title easily by selecting it and changing it. One of the things that's very useful is that you can add sections. We probably want to add some sort of testimonial. I think this one looks quite good. So you select it and then drag it where you want to add it. Of course, this is dummy content. You should update all the content with your own one. Okay, maybe this yellow is a little bit intense. Let's change back to this one. Yeah, a little bit less offensive. You can use AI to help you with the editing and the text. Of course, you will need to have a paid account for this. I want to talk to you now through some of the limitations of MailerLite. I love the landing page builder, but it's quite simple, and if you want to create complex layouts or integrate advanced features like a booking system, that's when it can become a little bit challenging. There is a fair bit of different elements you can play around with, but as you can see, there are not too many. And the way you create different layouts, it's a little bit clunky because you have to select the different layout that you want, drag it, and then start adding elements to it. And one last thing, I have to say that all the landing pages I've created using MailerLite feel a little bit templatey. Even the ones created with AI feel a little bit artificial, a little bit robotic. But for the price, I don't think MailerLite's landing page builder is a bad product. That's it for today's look at MailerLite landing page builder. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget that at emailtooltester.com there are dozens of articles and guides to help you with your email marketing. Have a good day and see you around.